How to give copyright credits to music on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can give copyright credits to music that you use in your YouTube video. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So first, open up your YouTube and let's head over to our YouTube studio. So to do that, tap on the profile icon on the top right. Then tap on YouTube Studio. And after you're there, you can then select a video in which you have added the music in. So let's head over to Contents right here. Then after you're here, you can select a video. So let's say I just tap on this details option of this video. And after I'm here, you can see the details and the description. So after you type in the title here and everything, so if you have music here, all you have to do is give the credit in the descriptions. So this is a format which I will be providing in the description down below. So right here, you will need to give credits to the music. So whichever music that you use, you can paste the music's name here. You can simply type in the link that you use. So let's say youtube.com/whatever music that you use. And after you do that, you'll need to write the song name, the artist name, album, license type, copyright owner, which will all be available in the music video's description itself. So you can use it from that and then also paste this. What doing this is basically giving credit in the description of your of the music that you used in your video. This will also be recognized by YouTube, and you won't be getting any copyright strikes. You might be getting the claims, but it won't harm your channel or your videos directly. So you might get claims, but you won't get any strikes, and it won't affect your channel in any way. And then you can simply post this video and you're good to go. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.